Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce you to Joycat, a brand dedicated to making learning joyful for our little ones. Joycat values 8 suitable toys for children aged 0 to 3, a crucial period for development. First, we have the talking flashcards for reading and learning words. These cards are fantastic for introducing basic concepts. The repetition and visuals support early language development. Let's explore the ice cream set for counting. This set makes counting tangible and fun. Children can scoop and count ice cream cones, turning a simple activity into a valuable learning experience. Next up is the Busy Book for coordination. This book is filled with activities that improve fine motor skills, problem solving, and hand-eye coordination. Just watch how kids manipulate the buckles and zippers. It's educational and fun. Lastly, we have the Pop game. This press-type toy helps children learn words and multiplication. It's so engaging that kids won't stop playing. The genius of this toy is that it's educational and simple. With Joycat, learning is always joyful.